Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys double tap talkback problem solve setting. How to fix talkback, how to solve double tap to activate problem in Infinix mobile one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, use your two finger, then friends you can fix talkback problem, and friends if you use one finger you cannot fix, you cannot solve your Infinix mobile, your Android phone double tap to activate problem. Use your two finger and scroll. Open your phone setting with double tap, because guys if you one tap you cannot own any application in your device. So when double tap, continue. After double tap friends, click here Wi-Fi setting. Use your two finger and scroll. If you use one finger you cannot fix talkback problem. Okay friends, use your two finger, open your phone special function setting, double tap here. Accessibility setting we will open with double tap, continue. Open your phone talkback setting, double tap here and use talkback setting friends, click here and friends double tap here right side, stop button, double tap here, talkback will stop, talkback problem will solve, and you can use your device without double tap. Double tap here, talkback problem solved. Now friends you can use your screen, you can use your device, you can scroll here with one finger, you can use it. And if you one tap guys any application, so you can own it. So like that friends, you can fix, you can solve talkback problem in your Infinix mobile. And friends again you want to own talkback, so right click here, you can own talkback, and now you can use your screen with double tap. One finger you cannot swipe. Open your phone setting, and friends you can solve talkback problem with shortcut setting. Double tap on search bar, search your talkback setting, TalkBack, talkback, double tap, talkback setting will on, double tap here and you can fix talkback with shortcut setting. So like that friends, you can fix talkback problem in your device. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. So I hope friends understood how to fix double tap to activate problem talkback problem in Infinix mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.